Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to show you guys two apps. They have nothing to do with each other, but I think I can show you both of them fairly quick. We have Hurrify and I wanted to show you guys Mailchimp as well. I'll probably just talk about Mailchimp, but I will show you Hurrify. So what Hurrify is, it's exactly what it says. It's a countdown timer. Let's go ahead and click here. And it kind of looks like this. Okay, you can obviously customize this to say hurry up. This is a countdown timer when you go on a store that it'll say hurry up, there's only 5 left in stock, and then the little number keeps dropping and it has this countdown timer. And I mean, this is just a good app to add some sense of urgency to your product. So if someone's on the edge of whether they're going to buy it or not buy it, they a lot of times this will push them because they would think, oh, like there's only 5 left, and then they see now there's 4 left and 3 left, and then it'll get them to click on that add to cart button a little faster. But yeah, I mean, this app is also pretty self-explanatory. I won't go into the whole setup or anything. But I mean, yeah, when you go through all these tabs, you'll see exactly how to set it up, and you can even look at some example stores and how they're running theirs. And it's usually right below your add to cart button, so it's pretty good. Now let's go back here to the apps, and I'll talk about Mailchimp for a little bit. Mailchimp can be a whole course on itself because Mailchimp is just a tool that you use to run your email marketing campaigns. So if you guys are not running your marketing campaigns, this in this section we will not teach that since this is a masterclass. We might add in an email section in this course. I'm not 100% sure yet, but Mailchimp is just a tool to run your email marketing campaigns. So I mean, Mailchimp is super huge. It accounts for about 10% of our revenue daily because we do run a lot of email campaigns. So if you guys are not running email campaigns, Mailchimp is definitely a good place to start, and setting up the emails there is really simple. I know some other people use one called Klaviyo, which is also good. I've never tried it myself. I downloaded Mailchimp for the first time ever, and I just stuck with it. But if you're using Klaviyo, that's fine too. It's very comparable to Mailchimp. And with all that being said, guys, that's it for this video. Not much to talk about in this one, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.